Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your iPhone runs iOS 26 and that you have a recent backup. Once done, wake the device and long press the lock screen to enter edit mode. This is where you control movement. Make sure live photo or a motion-enabled wallpaper is selected if you want parallax or animation. Tap Customize or Add New, then choose a wallpaper type, photo, live photo, or motion, and proceed. You're now in the exact place to reposition and animate the lock screen elements for the next steps. You'll now adjust how the lock screen moves and reacts. Tap the wallpaper preview to expose pinch, drag, and perspective controls. Use a 2-finger pinch to zoom in or out, and drag with 1 finger to shift the subject where you want it to sit behind widgets or the clock. Make sure to toggle perspective zoom or depth effect. These create parallax when you move the phone. If you chose a live photo, scrub the key photo strip to select the exact frame that plays when waking the device. Finish by tapping Done, and if offered, choose Set as Wallpaper Pair or Apply to the lock screen only. Test your changes by locking the phone, waking it, and tilting or raising to view the parallax and live photo animation. If the movement looks static, make sure Reduce Motion is off in Accessibility and that the live photo wasn't converted to a still during editing. If problems persist, restart the phone and re-enter Customize mode. That usually clears transient UI glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.